It's Ramzey Magandey. Don't let go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't let go. Don't you let go. No.
Crack up on the beat.
If you feel like crying, just cry. Just keep on pushing, yeah. Wipe your tears and keep trying. Don't give up, keep on fighting. Spread your wings and go fly. It's not the end, it's just the ups and downs in life. Life is a journey, yeah. Hold on, don't let go. Pick yourself up, come let's go. Fight the fight like a rainbow. Cause after the rain comes rainbow. Sometimes I know you feel like let go, but God won't let you down, no. I know you fail, but try more. Cause one day you must go. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, tight, don't let go. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, tight, don't let go. Feels like the world coming at you. Feels like nobody there for you. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, tight, don't let go. I know you're feeling sad cause the bills I gotta pay. Just lost your job so you're stressing every day. Your baby gotta eat cause they need somewhere to stay. Please pray to God, he gon' make a better way. No, it's not the end, it's just the beginning. Thinking that you're losing but you don't know that you're winning. Keep your faith in God, yeah, bigger blessing coming. Keep your head up, big dream, keep dreaming. Hold on, don't let go. Pick yourself up, come let's go. Fight the fight like a rainbow. Cause after the rain comes rainbow.